Good actors can still have bad reels, and it's usually not because they're bad on camera. It's because the reel is built out of leftovers, what you happen to book, whatever the edit left you, whatever you're allowed to use, whatever doesn't look like it was shot on a toaster. So your reel doesn't show your real potential. By the end of this, you will know exactly what to replace in your reel, how to get the footage that actually matches the jobs you want, and how to get it in a way that also solves the other half of the problem, access. Because great clips that nobody important sees do not change your life. I've been using this approach for almost 15 years now. And it's what took me from 0 credits to eventually working with production companies like Netflix, A24, and Hallmark, in spite of living in Munich. And it's what I now teach to other actors who are done waiting for the footage to come to them. So you don't have to sit there guessing what's actually missing. I created a free tool called the Actor Career DNA Decoder. I put my brain and all of my years of coaching into this thing so that you can have a real conversation with an AI coach that helps you to figure out exactly what's holding your career back right now. The link is in the description. And now, back to your reel. It shows whatever you were able to get a hold of. And casting isn't judging your talent. They are judging the weakest evidence in front of them. So if your plan is, well, then I'll book something better, and then my reel will finally look better. Well, you are going to be waiting a very long time, my friend. I know actors who have waited years. I have waited years. Because even when you book, that's no guarantee that you're going to get the material. In fact, you often don't get anything usable. So your reel stays stuck at the same level, and that's why good actors still have bad reels. This is what I call the industry proof gap. It is one of the 4 things that actually keeps actors stuck: skills, industry proof, connections, and knowledge. Now, you've probably got the skills, but without the industry proof that matches the level that you are aiming for and not just where you've been, you are asking casting to imagine you instead of just showing them. And this is a visual industry based on visual proof. A while back, I got cast in an A24 series. I had a great part and I could not wait to add it to my reel. But guess what? After I left the set, the main actor, who was also the director, decided to start riffing an entirely new scene. That led to the script taking another angle altogether, and my part ended up being cut out of the episode entirely. So even when you book, you may not get the footage. And if you're not sure which of those 4 gaps is yours right now, the Actor Career DNA Decoder in the description figures that out for you. So you're not just guessing at the wrong fix. Most real advice is built for beginners. It's, get something, get anything, put it together, call it a reel. That is not your problem. Your problem is that you're aiming higher than your footage is showing. And the industry, it's not going to give you the benefit of the doubt. So here's what you need to do. We're going to stop relying on leftovers and create 2 missing moments that your reel needs in order to be read at the level that you want. So step 1, figure out what your reel currently is saying about you. It's saying, this is the level of project that I've been in. This is the kind of role that I usually play. This is how much space I tend to get. And if you're watching this video, I'm going to guess that your reel is proving something smaller than what you can actually do. None of that means you're not capable. It just means the evidence doesn't match the level that you are aiming for. When someone is watching your reel, what do they walk away believing about you? How do they think of how to cast you? Not what you're hoping that they are going to infer, what the footage forces them to believe. Step number 2, you need to replace the weakest evidence with 2 moments that instantly upgrade how you come across. Most mid-level reels are missing one of these things. Sometimes it's both. The first is a moment where you are driving the scene. This is so important. You're not reacting, you're not explaining, you're not being pleasant. You are making something happen. You're the person with leverage. You have an objective and you are trying to get it. The second is a moment where we see your inner life in a way that feels real on camera. Just that thing where the camera can sit on you and you're alive, thinking and choosing. And if your reel doesn't have those, you can be an incredible actor and still look like a supporting player. And if you're trying to be seen for bigger roles, that mismatch, that is what is going to keep you stuck. Step number 3, the Curator Method fix. Create those 2 moments in a way that also builds access and gets you paid. So the Curator Method is you use what you need to get what you want. You need industry proof and connections. The connections are the access. So you build them at the same time. Instead of waiting for a booking to hand you the footage that you need, you organize exactly what you need. You create a small film scene day. You bring in a director, casting person, gaffer, producer, someone connected to the work you actually want. Then you invite other actors who also want that kind of work. You get the training and the footage without having to pay for it up front, and you walk away with income. And you build a relationship at the same time. This is how you stop bleeding money on networking events and showcases where you're just another face in the crowd. And when that director or casting person or whoever that happens to be shows up, you're not asking for a favor. You are not trying to be picked. You're the one who brought them into the room. They're watching you work, and they have seen you operate like the professional that you are. After years of being typecast myself, this was exactly how I upgraded for real. Getting the exact material that I needed to show casting what I was capable of doing, not just where I had been. That very first one also put almost $900 in my pocket. Step number 4, you need to understand what is usable footage so that you stop accepting scraps. If someone can't tell what role you play in the story within 5 seconds, the clip isn't usable. So it means your sound needs to be crispy, really good, and that we can see your eyes. You need to feel like the main event. Your character needs a clear obstacle, and the other person that you're acting with has to be able to act. And the whole thing needs to feel like it belongs in the world that you're aiming for. And here's a little caveat. As tempting as it is to use a scene from a famous movie or TV series, please don't do it. It just invites comparison, and no matter how well you can act, nobody needs to be compared to Meryl Streep or Robert De Niro. Step number 5, how to use the new clips so that they actually change your odds. Once you have those 2 moments, you don't post and pray. You send the right clip to the right people, the people who are part of the productions that you want to be a part of. And if you created them through a curated day, you now have something else. A normal reason to stay in touch with the person you brought in. You are not a cold message with a link. You are someone that they have actually worked with, and they now can be someone who refers you. So if you want help getting clear on what your reel is supposed to be proving about you, and what 2 moments would upgrade how you're seen the fastest, then make sure and grab your free access to the Actor Brand DNA Decoder. The link is in the description. Look, good actors can still have bad reels when they rely on leftovers. The fix is choosing the evidence on purpose, building it in a way that also gets you seen by the right people, and getting paid while you do it. That is the whole shebang. So, if you're looking for something else to watch, this next video is really going to help you out. Until next time, stay bold.